Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Silicone Tickler by the EasyToys Fetish Collection. So let's get started. So this is the Silicone Tickler itself. Now this is the perfect toy to introduce someone to the world of S&M. You can make foreplay fun and exciting with this special silicone tickler. The silicone hairs stimulate the nerve endings, which will leave a tingling sensation on your skin, so you can tease your partner for as long as you want and enjoy your time together even more. As these are silicone hairs, they feel really soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use as well. This is a really fun tickler to start your S&M adventure. And that is the Silicone Tickler by the EasyToys Fetish Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.